Hey guys, I hope everyone is doing well. Okay, this is going to be our next tutorial for the Django series. And today, what we are going to do, we are going to work on the front end a bit, and then we will see how we can use the forms.py file to save and update the data into the database. So first of all, let me just get the assignment that I printed uh, for this for these tutorials, and then I'll tell you how we are going to move forward. Okay, so what we are going to do, we are going to use the bootstrap library for front end to create our tabular form, and then we will show the data in our front end. So let's do it by using this bootstrap table, and let's see how it will work. I think this one is the best option for us. So let's just copy this one. I think we need to access the bootstrap here. So I will use the link, but first of all, let me just fix this one. So we are going to use this as a serial number. Next was our vehicle number, then and CNIC. Okay, so we will update our data here, and for that I will need something like this. I think I'm going to use this whole block. One, two, three, and four, and we need the vehicle number. Okay, the chassis number. For that, I will open my models and see what are the spellings. Okay, this is our chassis number. and third one is sorry, third one is CNIC. Okay, for that I'm going to keep it empty for now because we need to make a few changes in our views to access the CNIC of the owner, of this owner from the vehicle. Okay, so for that I need to do some changes in our in the views in this section. So let's see if this one is working or not. No, it won't work, I know, but okay. So this is something. And what we will do, we will do some research how to use Bootstrap using CDN. Okay, I don't want to download it, so I'll just use this link. Where is this link? uh, Here it is. Okay, I think I should use all of them because we will need it in next few tutorials. So for time being I'm going to use them here, and then I'll move them in another separate file which we use as a uh, content block or something. So I will put these links there once we are on the right track. Okay, for now I think everything is fine. I just remove this section. Okay, where is, okay, I'm going to refresh our page. Okay, there is some progress, but not as I want it, because I want table dot dark. Hey guys, I hope everyone is doing great. And first of all, I'm really sorry about the delay in this lecture. I know, sorry about this noise in the background. I know it's a huge delay, but as you all know that I was busy with some personal issues, and today I'm back. And today what we will do, we will continue from the last lecture where we left. And let me give you some recap about the last lecture. What we want to do, we want to show these details in our front page, so in a manner that we can shows the CNIC of the owner, then the vehicle number, chassis number, and any other detail that we would like to show in the later sessions. Okay, so this is going to be the first architecture of the website. What I also did that I have used the bootstrap to just create a simple table to show our data. Okay, so for that what I did, let me just clear this a bit. Okay, what we are doing, we are using a table to create a table. And here we have two further option, table head and table body. In the table head I have table row, and the header, the first header is serial number, second one is CNIC, third is vehicle number, fourth one is chassis number. We can add some buttons here, some icons here in the later sessions. The next one is table body. So what we did, we used same table row section and created the first table header as a row. We will use it for a serial number. Second one, we will use it for the CNIC. Third one for the vehicle number, and the fourth one for the chassis number. Okay, so I hope it's easy and it's clear to everybody. If you have any question, you can uh, ask me on the WhatsApp. So let's do what we are here to do. So first of all, I'm going to use the create a variable here. Or let me tell you what we are going to do. We are going to get the data from the database in a manner that we can get the vehicle number and the owner information simultaneously from two different models. So if you remember, we have two models here. One is the owner and the second one is vehicle detail. We just need the CNIC from this owner model, and from the vehicle details we need the vehicle number, chassis number, and any other detail that we need in our later sections. Okay, so I was unable to figure out the query to get this information. So a guy from the Facebook helped us to create a query, or to use, or to tell us, he told us that how to use a query. Okay, so it was really pretty simple. So first of all, I'm going to declare a variable here. So I'm going to use vehicle detail dot objects dot all, just a simple query. Then I'm going to use a context variable to pass this vehicle's information from our view to our front end. Okay, so let's call it and I'm going to use this vehicles variable here as the value of this key. Now what we will do, we will pass this context variable in our return render method, and we will move forward to our index page. Okay, so here what we will do, we will use the for loop in our index.html file. To use a Python code in the index, we need to use these curly braces and then the percentage sign, and then I can easily use our for loop here. Okay, once I have initialized the for loop, I will end it at the later section of this table row, after closing tag of this table row tag. Okay, so I will use the end for. So let's make sure that we have the one space after, one space before the end for. Okay, so what we will do, we will use the we will try to get the information from this vehicle variable in this table data row. And to use this variable, we will use double curly braces, and I will use vehicle dot owner dot CNIC. because the first one is CNIC, and in our model, if we see, the model name is owner and the field name is CNIC. I'm really sorry about the noise on the background. I cannot overcome this noise. That's why I have to take the pause. And once this noise is over, then I move forward. Okay. Okay. The second variable is vehicle dot vehicle number. Okay. I will just copy it from here. Third one is vehicle dot chassis number. Okay, so all three fields are done here. So let's save this information, and I'm going to run my server. It seems that everything is okay. Okay, so sorry about this weird font. I think it's because of this bootstrap error. We will fix it in next videos, but the main problem that we were having is solved now. We have the CNIC number, vehicle number, and chassis number. Okay, so the only thing that is remaining is the serial number. So how to get the serial number? It's pretty easy in Django. We just need to use something known as the counter. Okay, so what I will do, I will use for loop dot count, a counter. Okay, let's save it, refresh it, and we have this serial number. To verify our information, what I'm going to do, I'm going to add some information in the database. Okay, we have logged into the database in our admin panel. So I'm going to add some information in our vehicle details section. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to create a name for vehicle, and it is going to be, okay, owner is going to be this one, and all of other details are same. Okay, so I'm not going to create any new information here. Okay, it has been added. So let's do one more. Just some random information. Okay, okay, we have two more vehicles here, this one and this one. So let's refresh our page. Okay, so we can see that we have this vehicle number associated with this CNIC, this one with this CNIC. Okay, so I think we are good here, and in the next video lecture, what we will do, we will improve our front end. We will use some logos here, we will create some the menu section here, and then we will move forward to our next page where we will save information in the database. Okay, so until then, your assignment is to uh, fix these field names. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to upload this code on the GitHub, and one of you guys has to do to fix this name. Like the V is in capital letter, you have to make it in small letter. Okay, so same for this and other fields, and also give them this verbose name to each field. Okay, so we can easily identify the fields in admin section. Okay, so I will wait for your reply on this video. Also removes the unused imports from models, views, and urls.py. Okay, if there is any. So thank you guys, I will see you in the next section.